Look up. For billions of years, our closest celestial neighbor, the moon, has maintained an unbroken, silent vigil over our world. We have mapped its valleys, named its seas, and walked upon its surface. Yet, for all its familiarity, it holds one of the universe's most profound and unsettling secrets. The moon never turns its back on us. No matter where you stand on Earth, no matter the season, no matter the hour, you are always met by the same, unchanging visage. The moon is spinning, yes. It is orbiting, yes. But it is seemingly locked in a perpetual, silent stare. This is a cosmic paradox, an object of immense mass, free to tumble through the void, yet governed by an invisible, unyielding law that denies us even a glimpse of its opposite face. Is this an ancient, gravitational anomaly? A cosmic coincidence so vast it beggars belief? Or is the truth rooted in a powerful, relentless force that has dictated the moon's destiny since the very dawn of the solar system? Tonight, we journey into the heart of this mystery. We seek the answer to the enduring question, why does the moon always show the same face? And in understanding the answer, we will gain a profound new respect for the forces that shape our entire existence. Let us first dispel the simplest misconception that the moon doesn't rotate. If the moon didn't rotate at all, it would simply swing around the Earth, and over the course of its orbit, we would see its entire surface. But the moon does rotate. It completes exactly one full rotation on its axis for every single orbit it makes around the Earth. And here is the profound mathematical genius of the cosmos. This synchronization is perfect. The time it takes for the moon to rotate once is precisely the time it takes for it to orbit the Earth once, about 27.3 Earth days. It is this incredible, almost impossible alignment of two distinct celestial motions that creates the illusion of stillness. To us, the moon looks tethered, but in reality, it is performing a perpetual, highly complex balancing act. But why? What force in the universe is powerful enough to synchronize the spin of an entire world? This brings us to a crucial, unseen element of the secret, a relentless, tidal tug-of-war that has lasted for billions of years. The answer is not in space, but in the gravitational influence of the Earth itself. The force that governs this celestial lock is called tidal locking or synchronous rotation. It is a fundamental process in orbital mechanics, and it is the key to understanding why our moon is not unique. It is a phenomenon rooted in gravitational attraction, a force that, as Newton taught us, is universal, but not always uniform. The Earth and Moon are not perfect spheres of uniform density. They are subtly elongated, slightly imperfect. The Moon, in particular, has a small, invisible bulge on the side facing Earth and a corresponding bulge on the side facing away. This bulge, we discover, is the mechanism of the lock. The Earth's gravity, being immense, pulls harder on the part of the moon that is closer to it than it does on the moon's center of mass. Similarly, it pulls less on the far side. This difference in gravitational pull creates a tidal force, a stretching and tugging motion that acts like a brake on the moon's rotation. Think of the Earth's gravity as an immense, invisible hand reaching across space and constantly trying to pull the moon's heaviest side back towards itself. This tidal force did not begin with the moon already locked. It was a slow, deliberate process that took billions of years. In the moon's early history, it spun much faster than it does today. But the Earth's gravity was a constant, unyielding brake. Every time the moon's bulge rotated past the point of direct alignment, the Earth's immense gravity exerted a torque, a rotational force, pulling that bulge back into alignment. This constant tug-of-war dissipated the moon's rotational energy as heat, slowly, inexorably slowing the moon's spin. This process continued for billions of years until the moon's rotation period perfectly matched its orbital period. At that point, the bulge was permanently facing the Earth, and the system reached its lowest energy state, locking the two bodies together in their synchronous embrace. The gravitational forces were perfectly balanced, and the continuous slowing finally ceased. The moon had found its rest. This profound truth reveals that the moon's constant stare is not a choice, but a consequence, the result of a billion-year dance with its dominant gravitational partner. The consequence of this tidal lock is the creation of the far side of the moon, a place that, until the Soviet Luna 3 probe photographed it in 1959, remained completely unseen by human eyes. The far side is not the dark side, as is commonly misunderstood, but it is the unseen side. And the far side is a world unto itself. It is profoundly different from the near side. It lacks the vast, smooth, dark plains that characterize the familiar face of the moon. Instead, it is heavily cratered, with a thicker, more rugged crust. This asymmetry is another layer of the mystery. Why are the two sides so different? It suggests that the formation of the tidal lock was intertwined with massive geological processes that shaped its crust in fundamentally unequal ways. The enduring mystery of the far side, therefore, is a direct result of the physics of the tidal lock. It is a symbol of the profound power of gravity to create not just symmetry, but also deep, long-lasting asymmetry. So, the next time you gaze up at the moon, understand that its constant stare is not a coincidence or a magical event. It is a profound, universal law of physics in action. It is the silent, irresistible hand of Earth's gravity, pulling on the moon's subtle irregularities, slowing its spin over billions of years until its rotation period perfectly matched its orbital period. The moon is tidally locked. It is the result of a beautiful and relentless gravitational handshake. It reminds us that the most perfect shapes and the most enduring mysteries in the universe are often born from the simplest of forces. The moon's destiny was not a matter of chance. It was a matter of gravity. The universe, as we've seen, holds secrets far grander than we often imagine. If this journey into the unseen has awakened your curiosity, and if you're ready to explore more of the profound mysteries that surround us, then subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Join our quest to uncover the hidden truths that reshape our understanding of the world. Because the most profound questions often linger in the quiet moments, waiting to be asked and answered.